So to cancel your Amazon Prime membership, whether you're paying for it or you're on a free trial, it's actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is obviously log into your Amazon account and go to the home page. Once you're on the home page, you want to click on Accounts and Lists just under your name, and you want to go ahead and click on your Prime membership. So once the page has loaded up, it should look something like this, and at the top it's going to give you all of your information about your Prime membership, but in order to cancel it, what you want to do is click on Update Your Settings, and then you want to go ahead and click this little button here called End Membership. You may see more information here. So the next page will look something like this. Now you want to scroll down slightly, and here it's going to try and keep you on Amazon Prime, but if you want to end your Amazon Prime, what you want to do is go ahead and click on I do not want my benefits. And again, the next page is going to try and keep you on Amazon Prime for the final time. And again, if you want to end your Amazon Prime, just click on End Prime Benefits on whatever date it renews on. So just click on that. And here, your Amazon Prime will end on your next renewal date. So in this case, it's the 12th of January 2020. But in your case, it's probably going to be next month or next week. And that is all you need to do to end your Amazon Prime membership. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.